one section of the market which is doing phenomenally well is the battery space. Both Amara Raja and Exide are doing well, and Shrishti is joining us with more on what exactly is keeping Street so excited in these names. Shrishti?
Well, yes, Exide as well as Amara Raja, they both seem to be really excited in trading session today, and that's especially after when Exide announced that they are coming out with an alliance with Hyundai as well as Kia. They have joined a pact for EV batteries in India, and that's indeed a very big positive for the company coming in. And after this announcement, we have seen a lot of brokerages going ahead and raising the target price for Exide specifically. So firstly, let's take you through what these brokerages are saying for today. Nomura has come out with a note, hike the target price to 485 rupees versus 233 earlier, maintaining a buy. Just yesterday, Morgan Stanley raised their target to 485 levels. Investec has also raised their target price, and even JP Morgan. What Morgan Stanley is highlighting is that the pact with Hyundai and Kia actually validates the capabilities, and it is likely to be a multi-year contract, and the government supported Made in India EVs is a strong for such tie-ups in the times ahead as well. So they are positive that going ahead, both of these companies can actually garner more of interest from all these OEMs. Wherein on Nomura's part, they believe that there is a possibility of import duties being imposed on the cells in the next few years, and they have also raised their multiple to the lithium-ion cell capacity at 3 times of book to value, in line with the global peers. And we are aware that Exide did announce their pact with Hyundai and Kia, and this is giving confidence for Amara Raja as well, because do remember that India's EV penetration, especially in the 4-wheeler segment, is nearly about 2 to 3%, and in the times ahead is expected to improve. And both of these companies have come out with their capex plans for this particular facility. For Exide, they have said that 4,500 crores in the phase 1 is what they will be investing, and the first order from 2 of the major OEMs is already what we have got. And for Amara Raja, 1,500 crores is the initial capex, but going ahead, they want to raise it to 9,500 crores as well, with a 16 gigawatt hours of capacity. So both of these companies are really geared up, and that's why we are seeing the re-rating, because with the first order, it's the opening of the doors that has happened in the EV battery space for Indian companies, and Exide has definitely gone ahead and got that thumbs up from a global OEMs. And similar is the market expecting that maybe in the times ahead, Amara Raja could also come out with one such announcement. But in the race, who is coming first, then Exide is definitely leading the race for right now.